Video 264, we got the edges blocked in. Let's look at the code. So we have this little lookup table here for the 4-set subtiles when we use the 4-set auto tiling. We're not going to implement that yet in this video, but that's there for the future. We have this tag section to find these enumerations right here for the different discrete units for geometry, bomb, and fata insets. For the insets, for the edges. How thick are those edges in discrete units? We have this to find this lookup table because I had the wrong name in mind when I'm looking for the tile size exponent to discrete unit span for the different sized tiles. We're going to need that to render the edges. We have this for turning on auto tile 4-set rendering. We're going to keep that off for now. So in the ArtGirl use section, we turn that off. And in the macros section, we have these enumerations from the CPU side for the discrete unit inset for geometry, bomb, and fata, and this is just to find the section easier with those tags. And then down here we have a lookup table we've copied and pasted from video 155. It's just a direct cut and paste, and it's in the shader lookup table for ArtGirl code. And then down here in shader source 6 we have this temporary variable that could be either one of these tile values here. And then we have the discrete units of the tile we're on, and then we have the internal location of the sample chord within that tile. We're going to look up both of those right here with these two lookup tables. And then down here, we're going to make the subtile graphics. So this is the rudimentary rendering here when the 4-set rendering is off. We're going to start off with a purple base color. Then we want to calculate it for outside of the bounds of the body of the tile. So we have the lower bound and the upper bound, and we calculate the lower and upper bound here, and then we see if we're out of bounds here. If we are out of bounds, then we are going to use this edge color. Otherwise, we are going to use the body color for this STG color, the subtile geometry color. Then down here, we have to replace the hard-coded green with this subtile geometry color, and that's all we need to get the colors. Here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes and some more footnotes and diagrams and stuff. We don't have time to go over them. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer description, you're going to have to go to this video here. You've been here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.